Hi guys, today I'm going to walk you through how we can create an AWS EC2 instance very quickly. So to get started, you have to create an AWS account if you don't have it. I already have it, so I'm just gonna go to the AWS console login page. So click AWS Management Console and click sign into the console. And I already have my password and email address and password feed in, so I'm already logged in. So in the services menu, you would see a compute service EC2. So click EC2 and we wanted to launch an instance, right? So launch instance. Okay, so in the step one, we have to choose which image do we want to use, like which machine we want to build. Is it going to be a Linux machine, a Red Hat Linux machine, or SUSE, or Ubuntu, or Microsoft Windows Server with base, with containers? So So for this one, I'm going to select Amazon Linux, and which is a free tier eligible, so you won't get charged for this one. So select. In the next step, we have to choose an instance type. So in the free tier, we are getting T2 micro, which has a memory of 1 GB, and we get a virtual CPU's 1. But if you need a larger than 1, then go for T2 medium, small. But this is all chargeable. So for the learning purpose, I'm just going to go with the default options, T2 micro. Go to the instance details. Here you can here you can specify all the details about the instances, like how many instances do you need, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna keep it as defaults and go to the next step, which is add storage. In the add storage, AWS gives us a root volume, which the OS is going to be installed. But if you need more volumes, you can add from here EBS and select which hard disk you want, like a magnetic, cold HDD, provisioned SSDs or anything, and the size of the hard disk. But right now, I'm just gonna stick to the root. So this and click next, add tags. So in this one, I'm gonna add a tag, which is gonna be a name, and I'm going to say AWS Linux machine, right? To identify that this is the machine I have created, and we can add up to 50 tags in total. So I've added a tag name, and the next step is a configure security group. So right now, what is a security group is it defines our inbound and outbound rules. So right now we can right now we can only SSH into our machine on the TC with the TCP protocol on port 22 and from all everywhere, right? So if you wanted to give some description, you can go ahead with that, but I'm just gonna put SSH for now. Also, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can allow all the traffics for HTML and how you can launch your website and go to the public IP and view your website. But that is going to be in a different video. So finally, go review and launch. So here you can review all the details we have selected, like a storage, tags, and everything. If you're happy with it, then click launch. So here you can create a new key pair if you don't have already. Like I already have two of them, but I'm gonna create it and show it to you. So a I'm gonna give it a name, AWS Linux key, right? And you can download a key pair, which is gonna be useful in the on the later on. So you just keep it in a safe place and click launch instances. It's gonna take a minute or two and it should be all good to go. So here it says the following instance launches have been initiated, and this is the ID of your instance. So click on this. So here you see the tag we have given is here, name, AWS Linux machine, and this is the instance ID we have, and now the status is running, and this is our public IPv4 address to access this machine, and public IPv4 DNS is here, and this has been made in CS Central 1. So make sure you select your right region before creating your instances. So I think that's it for now. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to access this instance and how we can create a server on this instance and access it through the public IP. All right, that's it for this one. Thank you. Bye.